stop. Before you scroll, try this. Don't move. Don't check your phone. Just sit still for 5 seconds. Why did that feel uncomfortable? That feeling right there, that's the same thing stopping you from starting your work. And if you don't understand it, you'll keep procrastinating, no matter how motivated you feel. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to break it, almost instantly. Here's what's weird. You don't procrastinate everything. You can scroll for hours, watch videos, reply to messages instantly. But the moment you try to do something important, you freeze. Why? Hold that thought. Because once you see it, you won't unsee it. Procrastination isn't about time. It's about friction at the starting line. Your brain scans a task and asks, how hard is this? How long will this take? What if I mess it up? If the answer feels uncomfortable, it delays. Not forever, just later. But later is where goals go to die. Strategy 1, the 2-minute entry. Remember that uncomfortable feeling when you sat still? That's resistance to starting. So instead of fighting it, shrink the start. Don't do the task. Do the smallest version of it. Example, need to script a video? Just open your notes and write one messy sentence. That's it. Because once motion begins, resistance drops. Quick question. Have you ever noticed once you start something, it's actually hard to stop? That's not discipline. That's momentum. Strategy 2, the 5-minute rule. This one feels almost too simple. Tell yourself, I'll only do this for 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure to finish, no expectation. Example, you sit down to edit a video for 5 minutes. Next thing you know, 30 minutes are gone because your brain wasn't avoiding the work. It was avoiding the start. Strategy 3, make it bad on purpose. Here's a truth most people won't admit. You're not procrastinating. You're trying to do it perfectly, and that's the problem. Perfection creates pressure. Pressure creates delay. So flip it. Example, write the worst script you can. Messy, cringe, incomplete. Now suddenly, you've started, and starting changes everything. Think about this. If I told you to do something badly, why does it suddenly feel easier to begin? Exactly, because the pressure is gone. Strategy 4, change your environment. You think you need more discipline, you don't. You need fewer temptations. If your phone is next to you, you will check it. Not because you're weak, because it's designed to pull you in. Example, put your phone in another room. Open only what you need. Now notice. Focus becomes natural. Strategy 5, the future you shift. Let me show you something powerful. Picture yourself tomorrow morning. You didn't do the thing. Now you're behind, stressed, regretful. That version of you, that's who you're working for right now. Example, instead of saying, I don't feel like it, say, I'm helping tomorrow me. That small shift creates urgency without pressure. Now remember the beginning. That uncomfortable feeling when you did nothing for 5 seconds? That wasn't laziness. That was your brain resisting discomfort. And every time you procrastinate, you're choosing comfort over progress. So, when you implement these 5 strategies, you would not only eliminate procrastination, but also make completing your tasks and achieving your goal effortless and natural. So don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait for motivation. Because it won't come first. Action comes first. Even if it's small, even if it's messy, even if it's just 5 minutes. That's how you break procrastination. So, do it now.
Do it for him.
If this made you rethink how your brain works, stay with me. Because in the next video, we're diving into why your brain is addicted to distraction and how to take control of it.